Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can repurpose your video from horizontal to vertical like Alex Hormozi's videos by using CapCut. So here I have already imported my horizontal video, and to change it into vertical one, you can just go to format or ratio, and here change it into 9:16. Then after that, click on your video, then zoom it in like this. Then after that, to make the camera follow you, you can just click on a clip and find the lock on feature. Okay, here I'm going to go with body and then click on start. Then after that, CapCut will apply the lock on effect. You can just wait until it finishes, so you can have that vertical video like Alex Hormozi's video. Okay, so it is done. So here is the final result. Okay, so that's all for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe if you haven't done that. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Thank you.